What's going on, everybody? This is Tim back from sneakeraccessories.com, here today for another unboxing. Today we have a pair of retro 3s from Tinker Hatfield. He just put them out maybe like a week or two ago at the beginning of April or end of March. It's supposed to be almost a mashup between retro 3s and the Air Max 1s that he was most iconic for. I haven't had a chance to look at these things yet, so what we're going to do is we're going to zoom you guys in, have a closer look, and see what we got in the box. All right, so first, just to start off, you have a, I'm sure you guys have seen the box from the 3s, but at the top we got the Tinker Hatfield signature. Okay, so stoked automatically. So we have interchangeable swoosh that's gonna have some Velcro in here. We're gonna open those up in a minute, have a take a look at those. Okay, these are real fresh. So and these didn't even sell out. So these you could still cop for retail for $225. I bet you could probably get these below retail. But these are white university red. Like I said, it was a play off of the Air Max 1s that originally came out, and the retro 3s, and they do look like the mashup. So the hang tag is clear and white. Sweet, and we got extra laces in here. All right, so the quality on the leather is sick. Yeah, these are fresh. So these are interchangeable. Yes, they are. Oh my God, hot to death. So let's see what we got. So I should note that I came stock with white laces. You also have a pair of red laces. These are 5/16 width, and you got a pair of light gray laces to match the inside of the shoe and the back of the shoe. So they gave you a lot of options there, which is awesome. So the swoosh back. So we got cement that it came with, the cement print. Fire. Like these. Red, which also look pretty good. You got a dark gray to mix things up. Can you guys see that? And you have a light gray. So you can see that we got embroidered Nike on the high top here, and on the insole you got Nike Air in red and white, red insole with white print. So you got some perforations along the top, along the eyelets, and on the tongue. These are dope. I like this. So for $225 at retail, and like I said, I bet you can cop these for under retail right now. These are a steal. These are real dope. So I dropped the dark gray swoosh, but if you wanted, you could swap out some of the, instead of light gray, you could swap out the dark gray laces to match. You could even get some black laces in here if you wanted to throw the cement pattern in. But overall, this is a hot pickup. I'm glad I copped these. You should go out and cop them. What I would say, just looking at this, I could tell you right now, just based off the toe box, you're going to get one wear out of these things and they're going to crease. You definitely want to throw a sneaker decreaser in here or a force field in here or something like that. The other thing is these things are icy white. So you're gonna need to pick up a cleaner. I made a video of the Island Girl pink cleaner. You probably want to keep a bottle of that on hand just to make sure that these things stay crisp. These are dope. So those are the 3s from Tinker Hatfield. These things are great. I got a lot of pair of J's at home. My favorites are definitely 3s and 4s. This is a great addition to the collection. Especially the fact that you can mix and match the swooshes and the laces and really customize this thing to your own. Again, we sell all the products that I mentioned earlier in the video. If you want to get a cleaner, some new laces, or a decreaser for the toe box, they're available at sneakeraccessories.com. I appreciate you guys watching today. Come back and watch some more. We're going to have a ton of videos for you guys. Take care.